Hello and welcome in CAD in 360 tutorial videos. Today in this video we are going to complete exercise number 34. So we are going to complete this exercise in Fusion 360. Okay. So first of all we will draw this 2D profile, then we will extrude it to 120 and then we will later create these profiles. Okay. So let's start. Sketch tool, then select the plane. Now create a 100 line horizontal line, then 20 upside. From here to here it will be 80 since 20 is here, so 100 minus 20, that will be 80. Next, similarly upside it will be 80, then 20, and now close it. Okay. Use fillet tool to create a fillet here. Fillet radius is 10. Okay. Now finish sketch and use extrude tool. Select the close profile. Select symmetric, measurement whole length. So the whole length is 120. Specify the value 120 and click on the OK. Now here is a chamfer of 15. Okay. And also here 20 by 45 chamfer. It is of 15. Now we have to create this semicircular profile. So sketch, select the plane, and this circular profile center is 60 from here at the top edge of this. So the overall length is 120. So it is at the midpoint of this profile. So this is the midpoint of this, and create a circle of 60. Next, finish sketch, home, extrude tool, select close profile, drag it outside to cut it from main profile. Okay. Similarly, we will draw 2D sketch here and then extrude it downward to trim, to subtract from main body. Okay. So here we need a dia 30 circle, which is 60 from this edge. Okay. And 35 from this side. Now create a straight line. Make it tangent. Okay. Use trim tool. Finish sketch, home button, extrude tool, and then drag it outside downward to cut it from main body. Okay, so we have completed all these, but this is remaining, so we are going to create this profile. So if we look at this profile, then this is 12 dia throughout hole, and here we will find 60 dia. So first of all, create a 2 point, and its height from the bottom is 53. So 53, and its horizontal distance is 23 from this edge. So 23. Similarly, 23 from here, and height, okay, will be same, and distance is 74 by default. Okay, so what is next is finish sketch. Now use hole tool, then select these points, and here we will use counter bore. Okay, distance is through all, and now we specify the through all dia, which is 12. So 12, and counter bore dia will be 16. So this is 16, and it is up to a depth of 8. Okay, so 16 dia, depth 8, and throughout whole of dia 12. Okay, so all the settings were done. Click on this OK tool. So here we have our 3D profile. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you.
If you enjoyed this lesson and want to practice more Fusion 360 exercises, check out our Fusion 360 all-in-one workbook with 500 plus practice exercises. This is the Autodesk Fusion 360 all-in-one workbook, designed to help you master Fusion 360 through practice. Inside, you'll get 200 2D sketching exercises, 200 3D modeling exercises, and multi-part assembly projects to build real-world design skills. Plus, you'll also receive 200 native Fusion 360 3D exercises, .f3D files, and all assembly models in .stp format. To get your free sample PDF or purchase the complete Fusion 360 all-in-one workbook, check the link in the description below. You can buy it directly from Caden360.com website or on Amazon. Start practicing today and take your Fusion 360 skills to the next level.